call them the sector course of sequel. If you open the door, pass on side, so left hand drive, manual 6 speed, about 280 vehicles, weighs about 500 kilograms. Got full Abarth racing seat, driver, semi-racing, and passenger, and pop-off steering wheel. See that plaque in the middle, that 102? That plaque in the middle, that's what model car it is. In the top of the dash, there's a plaque there that says Central Collection Club, car 102. I think that body kit alone pays that.